that's the end of the video. In today's video, guys, I am doing something that I never wanted to do, ever. But guys, Mean Green, the 850's motor needs a rebuild. Now guys, I've actually tried to make a couple videos on, you know, trying to get this thing running again, but they all kind of backfired on me, guys. Me and my buddy Kyle took out all the water, all the mud that was inside of the motor. I actually dropped some clips in for you guys so you can see it. All right, so we've taken apart a decent amount, took out the spark plugs. Well, about to take them out, took off the covers, and oh, yummy.
Hell yeah.
Oh, dude, that's
Oh, you told me there was no water in there. Oh no, Kyle, it's good.
Dude, I thought, oh, you can, oh, the other one's even, no.
Oh, Lord.
Oh, dude, that sucks.
Oh, this ain't a Honda, this is a Polaris, buddy. Oh, look at that mud in there. See, that's why I didn't want you to start it. Because I knew that was right there. That's why you listen to Kyle. Fortunately, I've got a lot of experience with my friends sinking their stuff.
I'm telling you, this is the plug.
So that's on the top of his motor.
What a pro. Ooh.
Yummy.
Dude, I say that in my videos and all the comments are like, please stop saying yummy.
That one for you, Diego.
Good old broken nut water right there, boys.
Yeah. Tastes really good. Alright.
But this thing was absolutely full. And you know, at the end of the day, once we got everything out, we finally got it to turn on. And when it did, it was only running on one cylinder. We thought, oh, maybe it's the spark plugs, you know? And we put them out. One of them was bad, so we ended up swapping them, and it was still running on one cylinder. And boys, we really tried to rescue this thing, but I mean, I even cleaned it so freaking good. Like, just look at this whole entire thing. It is so nicely dressed and clean, but it only runs on one stinking cylinder. So guys, I ended up getting a new starter for it, and that starter actually went bad on it, so I had to return that one, get another one, and get this thing running right. But guys, I was trying really hard to actually fix this thing before I actually had to take it somewhere to actually get fixed. But it is that day, it is that moment. Mean Green, old 850 is done for, and she needs a rebuild. Now, if I'm being honest with you guys, I've missed riding this thing so much. I think it's almost been a month. Shout out to Mud Bandit. They actually sent this out right here. It's kind of like a pull strap rope that, you know, just hooks up right there. So, you know, whenever you're deep in mud or caked, you don't have to reach in there to grab this. You know, you can just grab this, hook it to a rope, to a chain or whatever, and to pull you out. But big shout out to those guys. Follow them on Instagram if you're not at Mud Bandit. I'll leave that up on the screen, something like that along those lines. And also, so the original reason why the 850 ended up sinking was because the old Polaris original OEM gasket is complete trash and it's not no good. So the guys over at Outsiders Mud Crew, or I think it's Outsiders MOCO, something like that on Instagram, they ended up sending a seal out for the air intake, for the belt box. Also sent out a seal for my buddy Sergio that just got the Renegade. So big, huge shout out to those guys. I'm gonna leave their name up on the screen. Go check them out. Go follow them. Check out their website, all the products that they offer, and I'm pretty sure that with their seal and their help, I haven't put it to the test, guys, but I'm 100% sure it's gonna help me on the next run. And guys, there's a lot to be learned from, you know, me sinking it. First off, don't trust that little seal. Second, don't try to start it once, you know, you've already sank it. Just let it be, it's whatever. It's gonna cost you a lot less money, and you know, it's gonna be a lot better in the long run. But obviously, you know, you never really know. Stuff like this has to happen for, you know, to realize certain things and for you to learn certain things. But we're finally guys gonna take it to go get fixed. It's been a long time. It's gonna take about 10 days for him to fix it. As the company that's actually gonna fix and do the rebuild on the 850 is Carolina Mudworks, and we're gonna take it to him. So I had different options. I had options of buying a new used motor, slapping it in, or doing a rebuild. And honestly, they're about the same price, but I know for a fact that my motor's still good. You know, I know my hours are still low. I know I don't have a lot of miles, and you know, any other used motor, you know, you never know if they could have any other damage into it. So we're gonna go over there, guys. We're gonna try to load this thing up, me and my dad. You know, I don't have a winch, need a winch, but we're gonna try to load it up onto the trailer. Hopefully it's not too hard, and we're gonna take it over there and finally get this bad boy fixed. Now guys, I'm not gonna talk about pricing until we actually get it back and it's running straight and fixed, because you know, I don't wanna say it's one price and then it comes out to being another price. But guys, I'm gonna just put you on a cinematic, pick you guys up whenever we get to Carolina Mudworks, and drop off old Mean Green, guys. But we care about her. We're gonna get it running again, and you gotta pay to play. So I'll pick you guys up in a little bit. You guys enjoy. Boys, alright, so it actually guy works from his house, but he has a ton of work, seems like. Oh, there she is, look at her. No, baby. Wait, focus on the forward. Alright, point is, she's right there. And we're leaving her here, guys. I'm kind of sad, but it'll be for the best, you know. It kind of sucks, you know, I learned from my mistakes, and like I said, man, you gotta pay to play. It's not gonna be a cheap one, but it is what it is, man. All right, boys, so now let me just talk about exactly what happened to the 850 and go into depth of it, you know? So the reason that I ended up sinking it, like, I'm not mad that I sunk it, you know? It's whatever. I'm mad at the way that I did sink it, you know? You know, if I would've like fell over on its side and like went like deep, like upside down in the water, that would've been cool, you know? That would've been cool, but it literally sank, or I got water in the intake because the gasket on the 850 it's like a flimsy little thing that just, it's not good. It's not any good at all, boys. So that little problem, you know, obviously I really should have myself. I should have put some silicone on it, but you know, you learn from your mistakes, like I said. Now it's gonna cost me a couple $1,000s to fix. But Outsiders Motorco guys actually reached out to me. They saw my video and they were like, yo, we're gonna send you out some seals, and they're actually working on a discount coupon code for you guys so you guys can use on their website. So like I said, go check them out, guys. I'm gonna leave the name on the screen. It's Outsiders Moco, something like that. Go check them out. Go shoot them a follow. Big, huge shout out to those guys for coming in clutch with that. I haven't been able to test it out for obvious reasons, but I have got them in the mail, and they do seem like really good, high quality stuff. Now, guys, when it came to finding somebody that does rebuilds on, you know, motors and stuff like this, there wasn't a lot of people. I had a couple people actually mention the guy down from South Carolina and say, you know, he was a really good, you know, builder on these motors and stuff like that. But he was like, oh, you gotta ship it to me, yada, yada, yada. And I didn't feel like taking it out because I don't know how to take it out, and I didn't feel like shipping it out. So this guy, well, he was the next person that I found out about, and I was like, yo, for sure, let's do it. He works out of his house, but he seems to have a lot of work and to actually know what he's doing. So I left it to him, and hopefully he does a good job. He says it's gonna take about 10 business days for him to complete it and to have it up, back, and running. So I'm excited, boys. Gotta return my starter, get a new starter, and we should be ripping in about 2 weeks. I'm a little sad. Content is gonna be slow. Uploading is gonna be off for the next 2 weeks, guys, but I want you to stick with me. We are gonna do a couple videos on the little 3-wheeler, the Honda, and we might just go mudding and ride with George. You know, he's got the Razor, so you know, he'll be able to hold my hand while we ride. Just kidding. But guys, we're waiting for that to come back. I'm gonna come back harder, better, and we're gonna make sure this thing's right, boys. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, hit the bell if you are not subscribed yet, and I will catch you boys on the next one. Peace.